Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so say ndra nsem a esisi ye no Tracy Boakye aba bonten esanso edensem aba betudwa na mede no ebremo Kennedy Japan so akasa inti sansem we na mebo ne tofa na mede abremo no mehram wende eyo first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell ne so oye ne sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka Ghana for bebre asene me voice note on a lot of issues mehram voice notes na aba no edoso pa inti no me ye hu nia ana me ye ni na hu adwuma na twese maba be posti me hu ne se bi mo complain say voice note na wo mo asene ne me posti ye ebi mo so me posti wo mo voice note ba wo mo nim a wo mo accuse me say me ye selective mesremo voice note no me posti ni na edoso inti mesremo munya abote say embai endekra na surely ebeba ida ochina because edoso voice note in there ne krani edoso etie for yen konsem ni mu yen enim Kennedy Japan any Tracy Boakye nsensem a esi enra Kennedy Japan ekotena na 2 ema wakansem bebre efa Tracy Boakye ho Tracy Boakye won kan Kennedy Japan won nye ne bibia mbe kan Kennedy Japan ye ena Kennedy Japan wa sorry na hwese wo kasetia Tracy Boakye wo di na tem Tracy Boakye so amra na Kennedy Japan wa kasa no Tracy Boakye also went live on Instagram Tracy Boakye so over 17,000 people ehwe no awo no so tutu bi ma Kennedy Japan say was Kennedy Japan Kennedy Japan ye penyi eni kwan se bi penyi ede ne nano ehyehyehye asem bi mu wonu Tracy Boakye na asem ni sei eye ne yakra se Kennedy Japan ede nano eba be shem na etiefo ne enim se eno ano no ende yesobe ya Tracy Boakye asanso aye video ababiom Kennedy Japan so akasa enti eno ho asem na mede bramo no asem a Tracy Boakye asanso abeka biom ene se wo ma Kennedy Japan 48 hours wo de Kennedy Japan se Kennedy Japan ka se wonu Tracy Boakye no wo video na wonu Kennedy Japan nsa kasa video kro na wonu Kennedy Japan release the video no within the next 48 hours otherwise Ghana phone hu ne se Kennedy Japan yo bi a wo twa ntro oyen kontomponi se Kennedy Japan so to me release video bi sa na Ghana phone ni na agi atum se Tracy Boakye so wo twa ntro because Tracy Boakye say what just say what can tam Abdonyankopon say woni Mahama nyehe inti there is no such video wasi wono de wo kan tam ehun ne se woni Mahama enyehe inti video Kennedy Japan we kan say an no so video na Tracy Boakye the video bi Barack Meli Mahama and na Mahama eto dan ma no wasi there is no such thing like a video inti in the first place kra no eni kwan say Kennedy Japan kra wakasa sa inti wo den no in the next 48 hours Kennedy Japan should be onona o say Kennedy Japan na can say wono de asembia bewu a ekokra no into one fa video nembra na Ghana phone hu ne say yes Ken nie na adana masembo eso ama Ghana phone hu say Kennedy Japan intro na wo twa to wono Tracy Boakye so no Kennedy Japan so ababonten abekasa na wotie Kennedy Japan ne nkomodie ene ne nyama ne kasa ni mu a etiefo ne kre ene say asem ni na ne tenten ni tietia ene say Kennedy Japan wanya de munim say media meka asem ni tenten ni tietia ne say Kennedy Japan wanya de because a lot of people are asking questions say na asem we fa Kennedy Japan ho ben aden na Kennedy Japan wo de wan no be sha asem we mu asem we fa ho ben Kennedy Japan wan no pa we wa baba be explaining ne ho asem a wo kan ene say wo hwe de eko o say ono de he is talking based on Gloria Kani asem a wo kan munti asem ni yo Kennedy Japan said he is talking based on asemu Tracy Boakye nankasa na dan for Gloria Kani edibetu dwa na wono Kennedy Japan wodi gina so akasa na se Kennedy Japan wa ba be explaining you see what I keep telling you guys sometimes eto de bia Kennedy Japan ba bonten ma ye tie ase se wo kasa wa asem bi so a wo evidence nia wo videos na wo kasa e wo ne boso ene na ma ende woni anasensensem no bibia ekọ na ma ende oni kweku baako yede na court we lusu yesanso ede na for appeals awasanso lusu no why because nkrofo de assemble to nenimu a eya na wonye hwehwemu eya na wogye asem ne di ehwa ye be ka asem efa nkrofo ho tre na wagye di wasi asem a Gloria Kani na onu Kennedy Japan di gina so ede be ka asem eti Tracy Boakye But Kenya Japan, you are telling us you are a fair man. You are telling us that we are investigation. So we be in a downfall in a fallout. None a downfall. Ababontin abekan sembi afane. What do? You do further investigation to see say indeed as someone a downfall ne kana ye ne kran na enye ne kre. One year investigation no. And I would be see dream and I would do a ban at them as I send me and the crack. Meanwhile, a balance when the war can't tama can be beer. I say, a kakituan and Kobodia. A can't tama can be beer, say, as someone can the Japan work no any Musana so can the Japan air can't send it to say, dear, I send the and the crack. Na maybe the say asem no na ka ye ne krekra na Kennedy Japan asem we pa yen ka ne kro Ghana for mesremo yen ka ne kre Kennedy Japan na ka sa no ka tren say wo no ta wan ba meka na won ba meka o it is asem no wo de yen fa ne say ye ne krekra na asem ni ti ne na so ne hwene ne na no hefa ben e ne kokko kan Kennedy Japan o de yen fa ne say ye ne krese Mahama atodan ama wo ba no yen fa ne say wo ba no wo blackmail Mahama asem we ni ti ne na so ne hefa e ne kokka Kennedy Japan a wo de betina TV so edi wo ba yatem mi bo audio bi Ghana ni bi a wo Argentina a wo be di Kennedy Japan atem na nkrofo kan e na Melody sade na wo peneso e ma ne ba ko ni di Kennedy Japan atem na omo ana wo mo e kasetia Ghana ni na wo be di Kennedy Japan atem ni na me wusu miti me say hey Kennedy Japan dia we di nkrofo atem ni audio sa ya bo atrem wa we di nkrofo atem obi ani wa wo frɛ me katem say Melodies Kennedy Japan audio wo di nkrofo atem no me posti wo channel so ene de nkrofo fan dey say yes Kennedy Japan there Abrante bi asema wa katem say Kennedy Japan there he's just himself so wo di nkrofo atem allow him Abrante bi asema wa katem me no Kennedy Japan is just himself until Odin Crawford Atama allow him. And I'm say, hey, moka hubi and o man ye bono. Se Kennedy Japan they will do obi atemwa. Okay. Okay, me boy. Now so obi ba and I'm not defending the guy who insulted Kennedy Japan, but see, the guy for all you know, Krano, Tracy Boachi could even be his sister. And I want also be defending Tracy Boachi no. For all you know, Tracy Boachi to me I na down for be. I want also Kasama Tracy Boachi. But if we don't condemn Kennedy Japan who insulted Tracy Boachi and Kano, me and then me ya no, and then me ya. So are we saying now? Ya kwa say sisia e wo Ghana ha say no. So wo ba no wo be mada ni nia Kennedy Japan e no be ba bontia ba beka. Meanwhile, Kennedy Japan de kan say e kasa asem na, wo kan wo ne clean. Wo de wo mba beka. Obi nim de na wo show obi nim girls pictures. E shemi wo mo. Insema okafa easy boss on. If you as nigga on ni asem, insema okafa ne ho. Tracy Boachi a won ba beka wo ye. And also insema wo kan fa ne ho. Won beka wo yo. Won insema wo kan fa ne ho. Akwa ye say, wo ba ni wo be mada wo o man we mu a. Na enwa Kennedy Japan person expose you oba na ana person expose you oba bia na enwa na ode kan ena wo kra we do we ni wada ena we wari we di we iti Kennedy Japan won no so won di nkrofo ana sebe eno na Florence Obinim ko kan ya Ghana fo boma ebeda ne asembe so Florence Obinim ti so no ena Florence Obinim ko kan ya no se sebe Kennedy Japan no sebe won no so sebe semba na oni omoda no owo mba bebre sa no and the better name attendidie ye be defending Florence Obinim mu be di atem fine e ma ye di attendidie no to mu but you see if you guys are doing that it is just not fair. It is just not fair. Is it not Kennedy Japan who told us one he is fair? Is it not him who told us he is fair? So now you are telling us say ya Gloria Kani sisi I was say ya Gloria Kani asem na wo de kasa but obi a we are fair. Na Gloria Kania Kasa, what do? You also call Tracy Boachi to hear her side of the story. And no more Kasa ni who say yes. Wait here two sides ni na. But you just took Gloria Kania na what they Kasa. Tracy Boachi asemika and found who baby a who swan a waka and say, what ye? Will be a man that can want someone won't can be. Now so the TV so do about them and then the child what they are day and then the way I day and then the day I said when in Miss Remo when in maybe some say and who here Same way na nkaya someone e was second the Japan bet nasia we wasting the time e kasa ne boso na wo table so ene men ko break men ye we same way asem ya na nkaya second Japan wo actisa ama ende inkwalania e twe wo mo ano atoken Japan so nkotie asem a we achipalago video a we release ama ken Japan o se bibia ken Japan ano beka asem a achipalago akola we wo ka ken Japan no ase bibia na no beka asem we asem bia e fa ne ho a wode na no e wo se wode na no betum ana because oba na nka no aden de wo se wode na no betum se wo ba ne ka no wo de yanka se yampa se wo blackmail Mahama wo ken Japan wasem ne fa ho ben asem a nkrofo ka no me hu lady bi nso small job bi nso video a wo no so e plastic ne de Japan uko kan nkrofo asem a ka oh he come after you and you Ghana will be asro why because they see okay Japan there uko kan he will come after you amani pakono he has now become a thing god in this country. Waya bone kran na yenka na so ade a wo ye no wo bi be the same thing etia ne pe hey ni pakona e bone makene de Japan wen didi atem na wo bi be sa atem didi aken Japan be di ye no ma wo bi be use the same phrase word for word sentence for sentence clause for clause ye be blasting ni pakona se ni pakona mo e na wo didi ken Japan atana so ye we fi se ken Japan na wo sha ase. Why will support Ken Japan was same way? It's just a simple question I'm asking you. Tracy Boache, what can Ken Japan wana? So one Mahama dao, one nandao, if I Ken Japan who bay. Only A plus Adana no pesca, if I Ken Japan wana. Ah, near see what yes in Bema see Uncle Baby or why when you now we assemble assembly was a yaka, assembly as someone was an honorable MP, a betina TV so eka. And the Obano no kasa ne boso to say they were band babecano, na so obana babecano. And then the ya wom no Tracy Boache and the Nasem back in the Japan swan. You be like personally I would understand the rage from Kennedy Japan. But senior Kennedy Japan will fool our person yet say one dear. You are sitting now one no pe Mahama send me will be our pe Mahama send would you wo etone so. Say JB Dankwa who say Kelvin Taylor di owo to so no a o pese wi u 3 film no owo no o sane ya de koto Mahama so say ne mpena bi na den ne say na Mahama so na JB Dankwa ba be wu ye udi owo koto ne so why ade ye nti o man we mu and that there Ken Japan be so try say we are seeing na wo no pe Mahama 70 wo ko Mahama ne ko ama no bisa se Mahama wabo Ken Japan pass one bra meko ne ko manana NBC communicators nka asemo nya asembia politician na wose wo fa oh akwa say it is just like Ibrawan asem no Ibrawan ya Ken Japan be so ne so na nka say na se Ken Japan so wo be so wo bia so wo man wo mu dia and they say na nka asem about Ibrawan e be kan Ken Japan Ken so ne so na nka say oh in Profokla Kadem say ne kreni Ibrawan pan de even ono Ken Japan nankasa babonte be kan say ne kre Ibrawan pan was so Ibrawan so pan ono Ken Japan kra wenu ne ho even Ken Japan admitted it enye bibia na obeso so but Ibrawan mpo de wono wo be kan nti ono no wo so ne so kra na it is understandable but wo be wan ma me kan wan be ya ohwe wan bo wudin wo be bia wan bo wudin da wan bo wudin da now the kwani su dinatem and then the challenge what again and then the den and the 450,000 Tracy Boache asema wo kan the 450,000 na ye man no ye say and ye need die we are what ye we know. You see what Ken Japan is getting wrong and they say he's comparing young people to him Ken Japan himself. In Gofa wo moya young Tracy Boache is just 29 years old. Just 29 years. She has about 2 or 3 mansions. As far as what she says, yes, a bit more can say in nine we renting in Yamaba. There were no cano. As far as what she says, no, she has about 2 or 3 mansions with cars or cars baby. She's just 29 years. But Ken Japan where kasa anyway is happy because who Ken Japan when the 60. You are comparing 29 yeyears with you. It is unfair. Opesa wo compare ni enia ye tiasia. compare yourself when you were also 29 years. And when you're going to say, okay, a fair grounds. At your share, it will compare 29 years to you 60 years. Obviously, the 29 years will never win. And the 450,000 a year sikaben, $450,000 a year sikaben. Hey, yeah, me tell you, yeah, Timon would cheer me $450,000 a year sika for a 29-year-old person. A year sika. Enye sika na mibisamo $450,000 for a 29-year-old person. Enye sika na. But in Japan is making it look like and they all cry they say and they all they say. Oh, and yet and Amaka no. A bit more wa dear Ken Japan be here they will support him. But this particular thing, our Baba country si watching a didi wa banatem eka and the chalu wote and the say and the now say and the say and the say and the say no. One bamba count. Nakasani yena nanka yen to say yen you call online ni you who story be near very acting no naka Ken Japan my chances or no so sound obey ni yen tiasia because this is exactly the same thing. It's just a social media story you've taken and you are reacting on it. Wako dani melodies. It's one man here. Says Sisia San obey near who say okay, Sisia Ken Japan Juma way no. It is just as simple as that. That's I say. Won't you about your comment box me that's it.